So you've got one stick currently. Okay.
Yeah, there's some better ones in there that I like to use.
Oh, okay.
Shared if you want to go more of it in.
Okay.
Do you want a break?
Yep, I'll break first.
Should I use this one as well?
Okay.
Yeah. This one's good. Oh. Okay. Oh. Don't expect good things from me. Ah.
Oh my God. Almost.
Okay, just that.
Oh, shots.
Oh no.
Oh! Red for me. Oh.
2 shots, so you're red there. Okay.
Second shot.
Try another shot.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Jimmy, it's your turn. Jimmy? Yeah. Yeah, it's your turn. Okay. Okay. So. Decision.
Yeah. Not very easy.
Nice. So,
I think that was going to happen.
second shot for you.
Okay, there you go. 2. 8. I hate the shots when you have to be like over another ball. I can never do it.
I know, it's fucking annoying, it has to be said.
Oh.
Oh!
I'm too excited. Nice.
Yeah. Practice always makes it better,
Yeah. Oh.
I don't know how good I am, but
I love
what happens?
I love better than me is how good you are. Well, how do I come back from this?
Okay. Starting from the easy shots. Oh, that's a shot.
That'll do.
Yeah, good.
He's upstairs in his bed, I think.
Oh, yeah, I'll leave it to it.
Thanks.
Tell me when Fox is, okay?
Okay then.
Okay.
Oh, shot.
Drop the mic feedback to it.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Then you want to see me back with it too, but that's
Right.
I'll leave it alone now.
Okay.
I'll pop it again, okay?
Alright, cheers then.
See you, bye.
Oh, I'm yellow, right?
Yeah. Well, I bet at least you have lost your lesson, but
This one's gonna be hard. Oh no.
1 for 1.
No. I can't do these angle shots. Oh. Right. Ooh, look at that.
Okay.
Hey! No!
Okay. And go shots.
Oh, the cushion's in the way. No way. You have to go this way.
Just one stop for me because there's only a black.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay!
Nice.
Good game.
Good.
Good game.
Let's drop him again.
Okay.